Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you some powerful Capcut effects to elevate your videos instantly. The first effect we'll explore is isolating one color. Start by lowering the saturation of all other colors in your video, leaving only your chosen hue vibrant. This creates a striking cinematic look. Fine-tune the settings until you achieve the perfect balance. Next is the call-out text animation. To make your text follow a moving object like a car, use the tracking option. Place the yellow square over the car and ensure the scale remains unchecked for a smooth and clean effect. For enhancing image quality, use the Image Upscaling feature powered by AI technology. It allows you to effortlessly upscale low-resolution photos, producing sharp and detailed images. This tool is perfect for giving your visuals a stunning upgrade. Blurring and moving effects can also add depth to your videos. To achieve this, duplicate your video and apply the blur effect. Create a compound clip and then use the mask tool to animate the blur with keyframes. Although the tracking option may not work well for this effect, manual adjustments will provide excellent results. To add dynamic energy, try the fake camera movement effect. This gives your video the illusion of being filmed with a moving camera. For the best results, apply this to clips that were originally shot with some motion. Remember, zooming in slightly may reduce the impact of this effect. Changing the key colors in your video using hue adjustment is another creative effect. Select the hue adjustment tool and isolate a specific color range. Shift the hue slider to transform the selected colors while maintaining the natural look of the rest of the footage. This effect is ideal for creating unique visual styles or matching a particular theme. For a unique touch, use the text behind effect. Duplicate your video, add text, and place it between the two layers. Remove the background from the top layer to reveal the text behind the subject. Adding a typewriter animation will enhance this layered effect, making it both dynamic and engaging. Another approach for changing the sky involves layering and blending modes. This method allows you to create a perfect sky that matches the mood of your video. Refine the edges to ensure smooth transitions and an impressive cinematic look. Highlighting text is an effective way to emphasize key points. By changing fonts and colors or adding animations, you can make specific parts of your text stand out, ensuring they capture your audience's attention. Adding cinematic black bars to your video can instantly give it a widescreen, professional feel. This effect mimics the aspect ratios of Hollywood films, enhancing the dramatic atmosphere of your content. For special celebrations, the fireworks effect is perfect. Import fireworks footage and place it over your video. Set the blending mode to screen or brighten and adjust its position and scale. Sync the fireworks with key moments and add sound effects for a more immersive experience. The vignette effect creates a soft, darkened edge around your video, drawing attention to the central subject. It's a subtle yet powerful way to add cinematic depth. Split screen effects allow you to showcase multiple perspectives at once. Divide your frame into sections to compare visuals, display simultaneous actions, or tell a complex story. Balance and synchronize each segment for a polished look. Progress bar animations visually track the advancement of a task. Create a sleek line under your text, customize its color, and animate it with the mask tool. This effect adds a professional touch to your video. Lastly, the video in text effect fills your text with video, making titles or key points dynamic and engaging. Place your video above the text layer and adjust the blending options to achieve this striking look. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.